What you're looking at, ladies and gentlemen, is the Compact 12 Pro from Kam. 2 satellite speakers and 1 powered bass cab. There it is. Alright, here's the technical stuff. Now, we like technical stuff, don't we? First of all, you'll notice that one of the small speakers is on a tripod. You do get 2 tripods, okay, so don't panic. Alright, technical stuff. It's 650 watts RMS continuous power. Now that's for the complete system. The 2 satellites are passive. The speaker at the bottom, the 12-inch, is active. What that means is that has got the internal amplifiers to power the complete system. Your powered 12-inch cab will push out 350 watts RMS continual power, and the 2 satellite speakers are able to handle 150 watts RMS continual. We're looking at the back now of the Compact 12 Pro from Kam, and that is our 12-inch powered speaker. Inside there are all the amplifiers for the bass speaker, which you've got in front of you, and for the 2 satellites as well. The bass speaker, as I said earlier, will be able to push out continually 350 watts RMS. The satellite speakers will push out 150 watts RMS. These are passive speakers. There are no internal amplifiers inside the satellite speakers. All the amplification is dealt with in the 12-inch bass speaker. At the top there we can see left level, subwoofer and right level. These levels here are to increase or decrease the volume in the satellite speakers left and right. The center one is to increase and decrease the volume for your bass speaker. Left in, full range out. Right in and full range out. If you want to, you can switch phase as well. This one here is a speak on to one of the satellite speakers, and then over here to the other. You'll notice as well at the moment I've just got one plugged in. Power in, and that is your power on and off. Right, what I'm going to do now is try and give you some sort of a test. So I've got a track playing. It's called Strut Your Funky Stuff. So we'll turn the sub up. That's your sub. And at the moment now, I've only got one of the satellites plugged in. Grab yourself a piece of the action. You got to get out now and take the big deal. Let us know when you got to show. Stand up and shout and dance it on now. Come on, stand up. Actually, for the size, that was quite loud. Alright, top of the bass speaker. You've got a small insert there. Now if you want to, it doesn't come with the PA, but you can have extra, something called a cow horn. Don't know if you're familiar with it, but if you imagine a piece of metal that lifts up, it goes across, and then you've got a bit at the top there and there, so you can fit both of the speakers on. So if you want to, you could have 2 of these setups and even run, for example, 1 setup for the right and 1 setup for the left. So let's imagine you've got 2 sets of Compact 12 Pro. What you do is you go out of your mixer into, let's say, the left channel input here. All you do then, you'd get an audio cable to go from full range out to the right in. And then just go from here into one of the satellites using speak on, from here into the other one of the satellites using the speak on connector, and then turn your volume up. So instead of it being left and right where stereo is concerned, both of these channels, for example, could be just on the right side if this setup is on the right side. Alternatively, the left side if it's on the left hand side of your PA. The major idea behind a Compact 12 Pro is the size. Bass cab, 2 satellites. I'll be honest with you, you could probably put that on the front seat of virtually any car out there. Give you an idea of size, the satellite speakers, the dimensions, the width, height and depth, 200 by 410 by 200 millimeters each, and the weight, they're only 6 kilograms each. And then your subwoofer is 24 kilograms, and the width, height and depth 400 by 450 by 415 millimeters. Give you spec as well on the frequency response. The satellite are 80 hertz up to 20 kilohertz, and the base cab anything from 30 hertz up to 120 kilohertz. So there you go, Compact 12 Pro from Kam. If you want any more information, check out in the description, and it will take you directly to the Kam website, and I will say practice and enjoy. Nice one.